Can ChatGPT help you write killer sales bullets that can help you sell more with emails and sales letters? Well, I'm going to give you the thumbs up and thumbs down using ChatGPT for sales bullets, as well as my ninja prompt for getting ChatGPT to create just unbelievable sales bullets. You're not going to believe what this thing can do with the right pre-prompts. I'm John Benson, and this is Sales Copy Secrets. Welcome back and welcome to my non-beachfront studio, because I have to be in my man cave right now because I got to do the computer stuff. So you're going to get to look at my not so pretty profile, but that's going to have to do. I'm sorry. But hey, you know what? I don't believe that my twin brother John Hamm and my other twin brother Christian Bale are going to care that much that I am, showing them up again in videos. So in case you don't know the joke, you can go back and watch my other videos. But anyway, I got to have the interwebs to do this for you because I got to show you ChatGPT. Can ChatGPT do the kind of copy stuff that people claim it can do? Sort of, but we're going to show you some tricks today. Okay, check this out. Each video in this series is going to feature some ups or pros of using ChatGPT for specific tasks of copywriting. And it will also feature downs, thumbs downs, or cons. And for every positive win from ChatGPT, I'm going to give it one Halbert. One Halbert for the late, great, super awesome copywriter, Gary Halbert. He was a legend if there ever was one. And for every down, well, I almost gave it somebody I know's name, but I couldn't do that to him. I'm going to give it a Simon. Now, what the hell is a Simon? Well, okay, a long time ago, back when movies were fun, maybe you remember, Arnold Schwarzenegger, before he turned into a commie, did a movie called True Lies. It was pretty fun. And it's about a spy, and it's a kind of crazy film. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It starred the late, great Bill Paxton. I got to meet Bill once in a bar in Texas, really great guy. And he played this guy named Simon. And Simon was the ultimate cheesy car salesman with horrible lines, horrible pickup lines for women, the worst writer in the world. So if I give it a Simon, beware. It sounds like a used car salesman. It sounds like a radio guy. And that's not who you want to sound like, okay? So let's dive into the training by heading over to ChatGPT right now. Okay, I'm over here at chat.openai.com, which is where you go for ChatGPT. And I'm choosing 3.5 on purpose, because 3.5 sucks. It is free, but in this case, you definitely get what you pay for, as you're about to find out, okay? So we're going to show you what it's going to do in 3.5. Here is the simple, really bad prompt, to be honest with you, but this is pretty much how a lot of people try prompting. So I want to start with maybe what you've tried before. Write 5 sales bullets, in this case for a weight loss product for women over 50. Okay, weight loss product, weight loss is my niche, women over 50 is my avatar. Pretty straightforward. Let's see what it does. Okay. Shed those extra pounds and feel your best with our weight loss product specifically formulated for women over 50. I start laughing halfway through this. Our product helps boost metabolism, suppress cravings. This is a Simon. And let me explain why by explaining what a sales bullet even is, in case you haven't seen my other videos. A sales bullet is the smallest, most compact way you can get interest for a specific part or section of a product or offer. So this is not talking about the offer as a whole. This is meaning you're wanting to grab a lot of intrigue around bits and pieces of the offer. So I'm going to give you an example of a sales bullet. It's one of the most legendary sales bullets ever written by Gary Halbert. So this is definitely a Halbert up. Don't count that one. But this is an Halbert up for sure. But Chat didn't write it, so we can't give it a Halbert up. Okay, this was great. Why carrying a pebble in your left pocket, but never your right, can all but guarantee losing 3 pounds of fat a week? The mystery is revealed on page 17. Now, it goes something like that. It's not exactly that, but that's basically what it is. That's a sales bullet. They call it a bullet because you're meant to fire them in rapid succession, right? One after the other. One major curiosity tug on your greed glands after the other. It's meant to sell. It's meant to inspire curiosity, but it's not meant to talk about the freaking product. Not directly. It's meant to talk indirectly, to evoke curiosity, to evoke passion, to evoke... Some people will buy this product just to figure out what the hell the pebble is for. You see how genius that was of Gary? Now compare that to this. Our product helps boost metabolism, suppress craving. It doesn't, these are benefits at best. These are not bullets at all. So Chat 3.5 doesn't even know really what a bullet is, to be honest with you. So let's try a new one. Go over here to ChatGPT 4. As you probably know, that is the more recent version of Chat. And they're about to come out with something that's going to make this a lot easier than what you're about to see, which is the ability to browse, which is kind of cool. Haven't got it yet, but I'm going to do the same exact prompt in 4. Let's see if it does any better. Now, is it doing better? Well, it's writing far more viscerally, okay? Blend of natural ingredients work to increase energy levels, metabolism, enable you to burn calories efficiently. Are these sales bullets? No, these are freaking features. So, no. Another Simon down. This is a Simon for sure. Not even close to a sales bullet. Now, I am sort of cheating in the sense that, yes, there's a better prompt I could use, and I'm going to show that to you right now. And let's see how it does with the better prompt. Then I'm going to show you the really kick-ass way to make it write bullets. You can't write on its own, okay? So stay tuned. Let's go check out the second prompt. All right, here we are. Second prompt, pretend you are a professional direct response copywriter. Now, there is a common prompt that says you are a direct response copywriter or act as if you are. I like the word pretend, and the reason why is I found it gives a slightly more creative output because it's pretending. It's having to go into its digital right hemisphere, so to say, okay? Write headlines. I'm going to change that to sales bullets for a weight loss product for women over 50, but listen to the catch here, using dimensional language. That's key. And real world examples. I want it to talk like it's in the real world. I want to see it and feel it. Keep it up to 12 words or less. And I'm going to add one more thing on the end of this. Be a little mysterious. Well, let's see how it does. Now, you would think, oh, wow, this is doing much better. Melt stubborn belly fat like a hot knife through butter. Rediscover youthful energy as you're dancing the night away. Balance hormones, bidding farewell to hot flashes and mood swings. Is it better? It's better. Is it a Halbert? No, because there's no mystery here. There's no thing that you want to discover on page X or a trick that came from the ancient lands of Syria that allows you to blah, blah, blah. It doesn't have juice to it. It doesn't have flavor to it. It's okay. And you can use that prompt if you're writing copy and you just want to rattle off some what I call quick bullets. These are not sales bullets. These are quick bullets. A little bit, they're almost features on steroids, okay? Boom, 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 on to the next paragraph. Go ahead and use that prompt for that. So it's definitely not a Halbert. It's still a Simon. Sorry. So what the hell are we going to do? Well, let me show you. Okay, I'm back. And what you're going to see here is a long, kind of long, what we call a pre-prompt. Now, technically, this is called few-shot learning, okay? Few-shot learning. Now, there are far more elaborate few-shot learnings that we do inside ChatGPT, inside all of AI, to get it to understand what we're trying to talk about. Now, bear in mind that AI, especially what we're dealing with right here, which is called narrow AI. It's narrow. It's not general artificial intelligence. It's smart, very smart, but it doesn't understand. So you need to give it some context to get the copy styles that we want. Because, as I've said in many other videos, copy is not logical. Copy often breaks the rules of logic, and narrow AI is a logical prediction engine. So we're butting up against some things that it doesn't want to do well. To cure that problem, what I've done is feed it about 50 sales bullets that are killer, that are written by all the pros, including some written by yours truly. Right? And now I'm just going to come all the way up here to the top here, and I'm going to paste some data here. And this is how I format the data. I found that this works. There may be other formats that work. And by the way, there are tools that you can come out and keep your data in folders and things like that. I'm going to get into those later. But this is simple. And I want to show you what I'm doing now. Weight loss, women over 50. I'm filling in the niche in the avatar. But check this out. I'm leaving off the offer name. I'm leaving off even the hook. Okay? If I have a hook, I'll tell you what, I'm going to include the hook and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The hook is called caloric staggering. If I can spell it, I can type it. Okay, I've given it a couple of promises. And by the way, if you don't know how to get benefits for your product, you can go into chat and say, write me 10 benefits for a weight loss product for women over 50, and it can write these kind of benefits. These are not very technical. These are not very copy-esque. These are all we really need to prove the point, okay? So now I'm going to scroll all the way down here and look at this one. Write me 10-dimensional, vivid, dynamic sales bullets that create intense intrigue by following formula, because I gave it this formula. Be creative, use real-world examples, keep things mysterious, mix it up. Boom. Watch what happens now. Okay, now look at what we're doing here. Caloric staggering exposed, why typical diets fail and the secret triumphs. 10 pounds in 10 days gone, no gimmicks, just astonishing results. Unleash collagen production, rejuvenate skin, defy age, and turn heads. This is sounding a lot more like a halberd. It's not quite a full halberd. I'm going to give it a halberd though, because it's getting a lot better, okay? It's a lot better. It's the secret hormone fix, transforming menopause into a weight loss ally. That's pretty good. So now I'm just going to give it one more prompt to get a little bit more juice to it. Check this out. So here's the prompt. That's good, but expand on each and make it even more mysterious. Refer to formula for the style. Let's see what happens now. Okay. Outsmart weight loss myths. Caloric staggering, the secret insiders won't tell. That's better. Uncover the hidden truth to rapid transformation. Okay, I'm going to say stop. I'm going to say that's good, but make each 50% longer because it's not enough there. So I'm going to see if it will now follow, okay? The hush hush secret insiders won't dare to reveal, unlock the code to effortless results. Okay, now it's getting a little better. Just because I just give it one little hint, make it a little bit longer, okay? Age defying beauty revealed, turbocharge collagen production, leave them mystified by your radiant youthful glow. No costly procedures needed. We got ourselves a halberd. Yeah, this is way, way better, right? Way better. All it took was a few really clever few-shot training examples, and also it took a little bit of prompts that you now have at your fingertips. Now, there is even a better approach to this, and it's a training program that I have called Chat Bullets. I want you to see the link below. And Chat Bullets uses few-shot learning, just as you just saw, or FSL, to train chat on the bullet styles before you ever give it a prompt, just like you saw, okay, just like you saw me do. But I want to give you all of that training that you just saw, and I can do that inside Chat Bullets because you fill those details in, copy, paste, boom, and you get bullets like that. Plus I give in the training all those little prompts that you can do to make them bigger and more juicy, etc. So have a look below, check it out. I think that you're going to like it, and it's super, super inexpensive. That's the cool thing about it. I'm going to give you, in the next video, the ups and downs for ChatGPT when it comes to writing headlines. Because headlines can make or break a sales page. If you write a killer headline, you're on your way to a lot more money, chances are. I want to help you do that. And I also want to help you become more unignorable. Thanks.